everyone! Today we're diving into some super easy, super fun upcycling hacks using things you already have at home. Did you know your leftover coffee grounds are amazing for your plants? They're a natural fertilizer. Just sprinkle them around the base of the plant. Easy peasy. Don't throw away those old t-shirts. They make the best cleaning rags. Just cut them into squares or rectangles. Super simple. Perfect for cleaning up spills and dusting around the house. Don't toss those egg cartons. They're perfect for starting seeds. Just add some soil and your seeds and watch them grow. These orange peel candle holders add a beautiful scent and cozy glow to any room. Just add a little oil and a wick and you're all set. Turn your old plastic bottles into cool planters. Cut the bottle in half, add some drainage holes, and you're good to go. Old newspapers make fantastic fire starters. Roll them up tightly and tie them with string. Add fabric, paint, or buttons to personalize it. Turn leftover vegetable scraps into a flavorful broth. Just simmer the scraps in water for a few hours. Use old socks as dust rags to clean hard-to-reach places. They're perfect for getting into tight corners and cleaning blinds. Need to organize your desk? These old tin cans are perfect for storing pens and supplies. Just give them a good clean and wrap them in some leftover paper or fabric. So cute! And what about this nightmare? Don't throw away your toilet paper rolls. They're the perfect solution for organizing cables. You can paint them or use some fun tape to make them pretty. Then just coil your cable and slide it inside. So neat. And for a touch of magic, turn your old food jars into these beautiful glowing lanterns. Simply pop in some battery-powered fairy lights and you have instant cozy decor. Look at all these amazing things we made from stuff we were about to throw away. From the garden to the office, we've given new life to so much. I hope you feel inspired to try some of these. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcycling fun. See you next time. Bye.